Oh yes, electronic cutouts. Wow. Wow. That is so cool. This is the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, which is cool on its own, but look at that. It's the 392. Do you know what that means? It means it has a V8 and 470 horsepower and the same on the torque. And look, check this out. I was pulling up the specs on this baby, and it has a 4.5 second 0 to 60. That is impressive. That is respectable. And it's a 13-second quarter mile, and it's a Jeep. Oh my gosh. Well, you remember this man here? It's our inside man. It's Dylan at Findlay Jeep Dodge Ram. He always calls me when there's something awesome, and this certainly qualifies as awesome. Dylan, what the heck is this, man?
This is the most beastly Jeep we have to offer.
Oh.
This thing is impressive.
How did you even get this? These are, you can't get these.
Our general sales manager got one in. He got it at an awesome auction. He figured we're a Jeep superstore. We need to have one.
You better
have one. It's the first one
I've
seen.
I know. It's a first one that I've got to see in person too. Look at those 35s, huh? Those are beautiful. Well, let's just go straight to the show, the star of the show here, which is this V8. Let's pop that hood, huh? Oh my goodness. Jake, in the future, you totally forgot to hit record on the star of the show, which is the V8 engine. Also, you forgot your sunglasses in the glove box. Don't forget to pick those up. Jake from the past, I got your message and I'm back. They let me back in. And this, of course, is the star of the whole show right here. And you want to know what I love about this? They didn't cover it up with plastic. Isn't that nice? I love the Trex, but I don't know why they covered up such a beautiful engine. Plastic, look at that badging on the side. Also, that same color. A little bit worn on that back there, but it's that same. What color? What would you call that color?
Bronze.
Bronze, of course. Of course it's bronze. Take a look at that. Let's take a look about what's special on this one compared to your standard Rubicon, which of course is the badging. Some people might say badging's for suckers, but you know what? I say, sign me up. I love it. So where does the badging come in? We got 392 on the hood.
392 stands out. That's unique. The Rubicon, instead of just being in red, that's in bronze.
Ooh, pretty.
Bronze is the color for this. Same with around the Jeep emblem. And
oh yeah, check it out, right on the edges. I love it.
And the trail rated badge, of course.
Uh-huh. And we got 392 Rubicon in here. Ooh. Oh, and stitching up here.
Stitching on the steering wheel.
Nice. And this obviously has the 35s. We mentioned that earlier. Those look good.
Beadlock capable.
Yeah, these are beadlock capable, right? Okay, so basically they're not set up beadlock as you get them, but they are rims that you can. Well, you have to buy a little kit, right? Yeah, which is really awesome if you're rock climbing. Okay. Ooh, Fox shocks. Look at them. Now, we looked at another Jeep, and it did not have the badging on there, which was surprising, because that one does. It's even the same color. Check it out. You got the bronze, and you got the bronze shocks. Is that different, or are they all bronze on the shocks, you know?
I don't believe they are. I think it's bronze for this, because that's the color pattern.
I love little touches like that. I mean, that's what makes a special model fun, right? It adds to it. And, of course, the dual exhaust. I can't believe I'm even seeing this on a Jeep. It's dual exhaust with a V8. Oh man, it's so awesome. No video is complete without a run-up, if you can do it. A launch, if you will. And we got to hear the sound. It's super important. So Dylan's backing up. We're gonna do a run-up. Hold on a second. We got a disc brake here. Let's get this out of the way. Debris. Okay. Oh, that sounds so good. Oh, I love it. Oh, that sounds so good. Let's get one more. We got to have one more. That was not enough. Magnificent. Magnificent. Ah. We almost forgot to talk too. That's got a different bumper and winch on there, huh? Yeah, hop on out and show us what we got in the front, Dylan. I think this is like a nice little aftermarket goodie, huh?
Yeah, we've got an aftermarket front bumper, obviously a winch.
I like the bumper too.
Red tow hooks and some fog lights built into there.
It is. Well, these are really, really, really rare and hard to come by. This one's actually available right now, right? Nobody's bought this yet?
This one's available. There's 1,200 miles on it. It's on the showroom floor. We're $5,000 under average market price.
Oh my gosh.
And we're open to a good offer, open for a local person.
Someone come and get this. Listen, I'm gonna put this man's info right there. And I'll put his name and number in the description. Can we just go driving? They told us as long as we brought it back clean, that we could just do whatever we wanted. So let's go do what we want. And then do it.
All right, so here's the exhaust. It's gonna go.
It's your cutout.
My cutout
It's even
is
got a cool
disengaged.
little picture of exhaust right there.
A quick bump to 2,500 RPM.
Okay, not bad at all because of the V8.
Now I'm gonna open up the exhaust. You can hear it a little bit, the grumble. Same one, 2,500 RPM.
That's so good. We're going by the police station, and we quietened up the exhaust. I was thinking it would be for drive-throughs. You know, you get yourself an ice cream cone, or the bank. You got to get some gas money. But you go by police stations, you can quiet it up too, because we're very law-abiding citizens, especially when we go by police stations. That's just so cool. Hey, we heard it from the outside, but what does it sound if we're stopped and we go from the inside? Can we do that? Sure. Can we do one more? Let's do it. Oh, that is so good. I can't believe this is happening in a Jeep. This is wild. This is pretty amazing. That's just fun. That is just downright fun right there. Well, unfortunately, we have to put it back in the showroom. That was so cool. I wish I could take it home. But you can, if you want to. You could call and take this beauty home. And then you call me and take me for a ride. Bye, Jeep. Bye-bye. So awesome.
It's quiet.
Yeah, that's perfect, by the way. It cleans it up a little bit, so it's all nice and shiny for you. Oh, forgot to do that. Okay, stuck camera. You know what you're up against. You signed up for this. All right. Get some good shots. Good sound, okay? I hope you survive. Okay, Jake from Bass, just insert that where it's supposed to go. And look, there's our sunglasses. I appreciate the heads up.